Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80246007 when downloading Windows updates, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable antivirus. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. If you find any problematic third-party security software, then click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and then select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix it if possible. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for it. This script will stop the services related to Windows Update, and then it will re-register the DLL files. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folder. It will reset WinSock. So simply copy the script and open command prompt. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste all of this here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.